everybody, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to add scanned document to Word. So let's get started. It does not matter if it is a PDF or a PNG or a JPEG, you can add all of them. So first of all, open up Word on your desktop. Now on the top left hand side you'll see File. Tap on it, and over here on the left menu make sure to click on Open. Now here you'll see all of your documents and folders that you have saved on your device. So make sure to find them and then click on it. Now that PDF will be automatically converted into editable text. Now your PDF will be opened up in Word and you will be able to change the text. The only issue can be that the formatting may look a little different than what the original is. So you'll need to adjust the space, font and also the text. But if you want to add a PNG or a JPEG, just on the top left hand side click on Insert. Once under Insert, make sure to click on Pictures and over here click on this device. Now just find your image and click on Insert and it will be added to your Word document. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.